think I haven't been this excited about mail in I don't know how long. Okay, are you ready? Here's the big reveal. So this is from Patty Colbert. She is a Chalk Couture designer. So, ta-da! Oh my gosh, so excited to open this. Okay, so we have a little note. Let's see. Oh, look how cute that is. Hey Trista, I've been talking with Susan and I'm excited to send you these awesome Chalk Couture products. Chalk Couture is the most versatile home decor ever created. Create your own masterpiece no matter what your crafting ability may be, over and over again. I thought our social distancing project would be a great way for you to introduce your products. Feel free to join me live via Facebook on April 20th at 7 p.m. We are creating our mom's masterpiece. Feel free to contact myself or Susan with any questions. Looking forward to hearing from you. Aw, and I'll make sure you guys have her contact information too. Okay, so let's see what's in here. These are the reusable templates. And this one, my daughter is going to freak over. I was just writing about Wanderlust. I was just writing about Wanderlust the other day for the website. Love this. Love this. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. And the beach day, sun please. And then here, I think this is the catalog that I was spending a lot of time online with, looking at this weekend. Okay, I'm excited about that. I'll put a link to the catalog. Social distancing and a Chalk Couture Mother's Day project. Let's create together. Join me for some virtual crafting fun. Items needed to duplicate my project. Oh, how cute. Home is where your mom is. Aww. Okay, we're going to have to do that. Okay, so let's see what else is. Oh, it's right here. Home is where your mom is. Look at that. And it's got all the little details. So you, from what I understand, you can cut these out and use them separately, and then these you can use over and over again. So let's see what else is in here. This bag of goodies is to be used with the social distancing project. Okay, so that's what this is for. And these have the individual, oh look how cute, it's like a little sample pack. And so it's got washable paste and well, let's open it up. Oh, well I think it's all right here. Okay, so I'm not sure what the sponge is for. We're going to try one of these. But here is a spreader, a squeegee thing, I guess. And this is probably to stir the paste. Let's see. Sample kit. 1 board eraser, 1 main squeegee, and 1 stir stick. So fun. Okay. Put those to the side. This is, oh, this looks like it's a bigger squeegee. Let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Look at all these. Oh my gosh, it's making my heart race. Okay, so we've got washable paste. Is this all washable paste? Oh my goodness, look at those colors. Those are dreamy. Candy apple, orange peel, bumblebee. Oh my gosh, so fun. Look at all that. Fun, fun, fun. Okay, so let's see. What is this? Chips. Chockable chips. Oh, I don't know what this is. 3-inch round surfaces specifically designed for use with paste and chalk transfers. Ah, cute, cute, cute. Okay, gonna practice with those with y'all. Oh, look at this down here. Magnets for the chockable chips. Oh, cool. Okay, so that's that. This, I've seen this online. So this you use to take some of the sticky off of these templates so that they don't stick too much, I guess, onto your project. Double-sided cloth for fuzzing one side and cleaning surfaces. Okay, cool. We will definitely try that out. And I don't know what this is. Let's see what this is like. I'm not reading the box. I'm just going to be surprised. I bet this is for the mom thing. Oh, look, it's like a chalkboard. Okay, so I bet this is for the event on the 20th because that fits in there pretty perfectly. Okay, so fun. All right, well, I can't wait to show y'all. We're going to do one of these projects.